Alibaba has just launched WAN 2.2, the world's first open-source mixture of experts video model, and it's seriously changing the game. With incredible cinematic control, smooth transitions, and stunning AI-generated visuals, WAN 2.2 is shaping up to be the best free AI video generator available online right now. But how does it stack up against giants like Veo 3, Kimi 2, or even Wisco? Let's find out. Alright, let's talk real for a second. There are so many AI video generators out there right now, it's honestly hard to keep up. You've got Veo 3 with its insane visual realism. Then there's Kimi 2, super smooth, perfect for storytelling. Wisco, great if you want voice cloning or deepfake style avatars. Even Pictory and Runway ML have carved out a space. But here's the thing, most of these tools either lock you behind a paywall, limit your exports, or overwhelm you with complicated features you don't even need. So when WAN 2.2 dropped, and I mean this seriously, it felt like someone finally said, let's make an AI video tool that's simple, powerful, and actually free. And the results, honestly impressive. WAN 2.2 combines ease of use with smart automation and gives you high-quality videos, all in your browser and without charging you up front. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use WAN 2.2 step by step and show you why, right now, this might just be the best free AI video generator for YouTubers and content creators. Alright, open your browser and head to wan.video, that's WAN.video, or just search WAN Video Generator on Google. Once you're on the site, go to the top right corner and click Try It for free. Now sign up, it's super quick, just an email and password. And here's a bonus. You get 10 free credits just for signing in. That means you can start generating videos instantly, no payment required. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a clean, intuitive dashboard. Now you'll notice WAN offers a few different plans: free, pro, and premium. But here's the good news. We're using the free plan, and it already gives you access to the most important features. One thing that really stands out is something called Unlimited Relax Mode Generations. This means you can generate as many video drafts as you want, without using credits. Perfect for testing ideas, practicing, or refining a script before doing a final export with your credits. That alone makes the free version super powerful compared to other tools. Click on Text to Video, and it'll take you to a script editor. Here you can either type your own script, paste one in, or upload a document like a blog post. Let me show you an example prompt you can use right now to test it out for yourself. Here's a great one to start with. Just paste this in. 5 simple habits to boost your productivity. Are you struggling to stay productive throughout the day? Here are 5 simple habits that can instantly improve your focus and energy. Wake up early. Starting your day early gives you quiet time to plan and focus. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time for better quality and less stress. Take short breaks. A 5-minute break every hour can refresh your mind. Use a to-do list. Writing down your tasks helps you stay on track and avoid overwhelm. Reflect daily. Take 2 minutes at the end of each day to review what worked and what didn't. Start with one habit, then build from there. Small changes lead to big results. WAN will take that and instantly break it down into scenes. You can click on any scene to adjust the visuals, rewrite lines, change the voice, or even swap in your own images or clips. There are tons of AI voice options: male, female, energetic, calming, and they sound super natural. You can also tweak the pace or emotion to match your message. Once you're happy with your scenes, click Preview. You'll get a full run-through of the video, music, visuals, narration, all synced up.